Why doesn't os.path.join work in this case? The below code will not join. When debugged, the command does not store the whole path but just the last entry. When I test this, it only stores the /new_sandbox/ part of the code.
The latter strings shouldn't start with a slash. If they start with a slash, then they're considered an absolute path and everything before them is discarded. Quoting the Python docs for os.path.join. If a component is an absolute path, all previous components are thrown away and joining continues from the absolute path component. Note on Windows, the behavior in relation to drive letters, which seems to have changed compared to earlier Python versions. On Windows, the drive letter is not reset when an absolute path component, for example, /foo, is encountered. If a component contains a drive letter, all previous components are thrown away and the drive letter is reset. Note that since there is a current directory for each drive, os.path.join C, foo, represents a path relative to the current directory on drive C, foo, not C:\foo.
The idea of os.path.join is to make your program cross-platform, Linux/Windows/etc. Even one slash ruins it. So it only makes sense when being used with some kind of a reference point like os.environhome, or os.path.dirname_file_.
os.path.join can be used in conjunction with os.path.sep to create an absolute rather than relative path.
Do not use // at the beginning of path components, except when referring to the root directory. See also this URL.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.